Have you ever wondered how a fire pump is installed? What are the intricate steps that make this life-saving machine operational? Today, we are going to unravel the mystery behind the installation of a fire pump. The first step in this process is the selection of the fire pump. This is a crucial decision as the pump must meet the specific requirements of the building it will serve. The pump must be able to deliver the correct pressure and flow of water to the fire sprinkler system. Once the right pump has been selected, the next step is to prepare the pump room. This space should be clean, dry, and well ventilated. It should also be easily accessible for maintenance and testing purposes. The next step is to position the fire pump. The pump should be placed on a solid foundation, preferably concrete. This provides stability and reduces vibration during operation. Next comes the installation of the suction and discharge piping. The suction pipe should be short and straight with a diameter that is at least the same size as the pump's inlet. The discharge pipe, on the other hand, should be sized correctly to maximize the pump's efficiency and minimize friction loss. Once the piping is in place, the next step is to install the pump controller. This device is responsible for starting the pump when a fire is detected. It should be located close to the pump, but not in a location where it could be exposed to water or excessive heat. Following this, the pump's power supply should be connected. In most cases, a fire pump requires a dedicated power source to ensure it can operate even if the main power is lost. The pump should be connected to the power supply using correctly sized cables and circuit breakers. The final step in the installation process is testing. The pump should be run under full load conditions to verify its performance. This includes checking the pump's pressure, flow, and power consumption. So, to summarize the steps of installing a fire pump: 1. Selection of the pump. 2. Preparation of the pump room. 3. Positioning of the pump. 1. Installation of the suction and discharge piping. 2. Installation of the pump controller. 1. Connection of the power supply. 2. Testing of the pump. By carefully following these steps, a fire pump can be successfully installed and prepared to protect a building and its occupants from the threat of fire. Remember, the key to a successful installation is careful planning, meticulous execution, and thorough testing. Stay safe and keep learning.